are going to love the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.